Are you looking to expand your audience reach? Restreaming is the solution you need. With Restreaming, you can host one event on Livestorm and stream it to multiple platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. Imagine broadcasting your events to up to 5 different platforms, simultaneously in full HD quality. This means reaching your audience wherever they are, all at once. The benefits are significant. You can widen your social presence by connecting with viewers on platforms they already use. Restreaming also allows you to broadcast to any destination, even your company's internal channels. Let's explore some use cases. Firstly, online conferences and summits are made easy with Livestorm. You can host professional events quickly, reaching thousands of viewers. Secondly, enhance your company's internal communication through webinars and online meetings. Curious about how this works? Contact our experts to discover how Restreaming can increase your reach and target audiences effectively. Livestorm is robust, reliable, and enterprise-ready. It offers best-in-class services and custom integrations that over 5,000 organizations trust to host their online events. You may wonder about the Restreaming feature. It allows you to broadcast your Livestorm events across various streaming platforms with just a few clicks. No additional equipment is needed. However, keep in mind that analytics will only show engagement metrics for participants in the Livestorm event room. For viewers on other platforms, check their respective analytics tools for full engagement data. Restreaming is available as a paid add-on for business and enterprise plans. For more information about costs, please visit our pricing page or contact our sales team. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about Livestorm's user interface and high engagement rates. Our 45-minute event went over time because of audience interaction. Ready to transform your webinars? Try Livestorm for free today. No credit card or software installation required. Start creating engaging webinars now.